Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I've been wanting to get into this for a little bit now, but we got the Chromecast with Google TV, and I already have a Chromecast. It's a Chromecast Ultra. It's the older one, but I just got this from the Verizon store. As you can see here, I got the Verizon bag and everything. And as y'all know, I just got the Verizon Stream TV here, so I'm interested to see how these compare, even though I'm not going to be doing it in this video. But anyways, y'all know what it is, man. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table with the drink in the corner, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just playing. Y'all know I ain't like that. Let me chill. But yeah, man, it's about time that I finally went ahead and checked this thing out. So yeah, we do got the Google Chromecast with Google TV. So this thing been out like for a few months now, and I just been delaying like getting it, but now here we are. So it's basically a regular Chromecast, but now I got a remote with it, and it got the new Google TV UI, and it don't got Android TV. And I mean, this is a pretty small compact box, especially compared to something like this, like the Verizon Stream TV, but you know, that's a different story for a different day. But all right, let's get into this. We got the Google logo, we got Chromecast with Google TV, and as you can see, I got the white version. So I just got this from the Verizon store. That's all they had, but that's really all I needed. I didn't really care to have like the blue and the green or whatever colors they have, because the thing gonna be behind my TV anyways, even though the remote matches it kinda still. But yeah, we got this like new Chromecast design here with the new Google TV remote. We got some of the services you can use at the bottom, like YouTube, YouTube TV, Spotify, CBS All Access, which is now Paramount Plus, but you know, that's that. And as you can see, it supports 4K. On the right, you can see it got the Google TV app, and as you can see here too, we got HD, 4K, and then we got HDR. On the back, it just says simple setup, plug, connect, and stream. And on the left side, you got some examples of what you could tell Google. But all right, man, let's just go and bust up into this box real quick. We just got this plastic film over here. There's no easy pull tab, so that surprised me. But all right, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. So it looks like we got the Chromecast just chilling right here in this box. We got the remote in here, and then we got the user manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side, and then we got the charger and the charging brick. As you can see here, we got the USB-A charging brick, so we got USB-A to USB-C. All right, so let's go and get up into here. So here is the Chromecast. I think I'm doing this the wrong way. Yeah, I am. And here's our new design. So I don't know, it looks decent, I guess. It's minimalistic, but it's not magnetized like it is on the older Chromecast. As you can see there, we got HDMI, we got an LED indicator, and then we got a reset button. And up in here is our remote. So it's pretty small, man. Man, that's tiny. But you can see here, we got a few buttons. So we do got the navigational buttons. We got the OK, we got back, Google Assistant, home, mute, we got YouTube and Netflix. And then we got power, LED indicator, and then we got input. On the right side, we actually got our volume buttons. Kind of like a phone. So I like that too. I like that. That's decent. Now let's go and see up in here. We don't got no batteries. Wait, I don't think anyways. Let me make sure. Oh, wait, hold up. We do got some batteries up in here. So that is cool. I thought they were cheaping out on us. Like, Google, come on, man. And it looks like it actually takes 2 AAA batteries. So, all right, man. Now I'm going to go and plug this thing up. We'll go and set it up and all the good stuff, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so I just plugged this thing up. There we go. Now it's booting up. We got the Google logo, so it's looking like a regular Chromecast right now, basically. And as you can see there, we got the Google TV animation. Now we're gonna get the sound effect. Let's see. Oh, wow, we didn't get the Google TV sound effect. That's dumb. All right, then. Alright, so it looks like we got the parent screen up now. So it looks like all I gotta do is press and hold on to the back button and the home button at the same time. And for 3 seconds, we should be getting a light right there like it says. Alright, there we go. That was quick. So now it looks like it's connected to the remote. Oh, wow, that was loud. Maybe I should turn down the speakers. Alright, let's go through the setup. I'll get back to y'all. There we go. All right, y'all, so we got the Google TV all set up here, and as you can see, we're on the home screen. But just looking around here, it looked like a standard UI. It got a little bit of lag when just scrolling through here, but it's not really nothing too bad. But yeah, as you can see here, we got a couple of things here. So we got the Google TV logo here at the top right. We got the Google search here with the Google Assistant. We got for you, movies, shows, apps, and library. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, but I can't find the Google Play Store app. I had to ask Google to open it for me, so open Play Store. Oh wait, open Play Store. And then there you go. Now I get the Play Store, but I don't know why I haven't asked it. And if I go to my profile here and click on this button, as you can see, we got the Chromecast built-in ambient mode. So for a $50 product, like I can't lie to you, this is a decent offering, but in my opinion, you may not have Verizon, but I like the Verizon Stream TV box more. So probably don't go in the back of your TV, but it got more features, like you can go and double press on that to find the remote. As you can see here, I got a webcam at the top because that's plugged into my Stream TV for Google Duo, so you can use Google Duo on there. And Now, as you can see here, there is Google Duo for the Chromecast with Google TV, but like, where are you gonna plug it into? Like, there's nowhere to plug it into this Chromecast. So I don't know, man. So far, that Verizon Stream TV is taking a W, and it just feels smoother on that Verizon Stream TV. Now, I'm saying all these negative things, making it look bad, but I just said also that this is a decent offering, so I still recommend it. But I think if you spend $20 more, you're gonna get a better experience with the Verizon Stream TV. But with the built-in buttons like YouTube, and then you got Netflix on here, it's pretty dope. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, on my Verizon Stream TV anyways, I gotta figure this out. Netflix will not open on there, but let me see on this Chromecast. As you can see there, it did open for me, so now I can't explain that. Maybe I gotta reset it or something, but it's tweaking, man. Anyways, let me go and get out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centec on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And I gotta say, as a dude who watches YouTube all the time, like, I'm really feeling that there's a built-in YouTube recommended video section on the Google TV. I don't think there's one on the Stream TV, but I gotta double check. But alright, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.